Céad Mille Fáilte, 100,000 welcomes from Killarney, the heartbeat of County Kerry, the pearl of the south. Today I'm gonna take you on a walk through the streets, the calmness of the morning, and the music and the beauty and the charm of the evening. Let's go! Killarney is one of Ireland's most visited towns, a colourful, lively place surrounded by mountains, lakes and history. It's known for its friendly streets, horse-drawn carriages, cosy pubs and live music that spills out onto the streets. Whether it's a slow morning walk or a lively night out, Killarney always feels alive and different. While walking around, you will see these two deers sculptures. It says here Red Deer of Ireland, and they're protected species under the Wildlife Act. They're part of our national heritage. As you see here, this is an advertisement. Well, I'm not advertising for them, but what I can recommend, guys, you need to try this one. I really recommend you to try this one. This is epic. I have another video. I'll mention this place and you will have more views. This is another pub. It's a very nice one. Last night also was here and I got some footage from live music. St. Mary's Cathedral is one of Killarney's most striking landmarks. A Gothic-style church built in the mid-1800s, inspired by the great cathedrals of Europe. Its tall spire, stone walls, and peaceful gardens make it a quiet escape, just a short walk from the busy town centre. So this is pretty much the start of the Killarney National Park. But today we are not going into this beautiful part. I really want to, but I'm really tired after this long trip in Ireland. I have to go back to work now. Real life is waiting for me. But I hope that soon I will get the chance and time to come back here and to do a proper, decent video about Killarney National Park. It's gonna be epic, not because of me, but because of the places in this beautiful part. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Sloncha. At the